Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can submit content to Google as soon as you create it. Now, ordinarily, Google will take time to index your site, and that's based upon how many links are going back to your website. Below this video, if you are on the Wonks campus tutorial page, there is a Google video by Matt Cutts that explains how Google indexes the web. It's a little bit long, but it's pretty useful if you want to understand how and when your website will be indexed by Google. Okay, so right now I am logged into the Wonks Webmaster Tools account. If you don't have a Webmaster Tools account, then head to webwonks.co.nz and sign up for a basic Warrant of Fitness, and we will get the ball rolling. If you do, then you will have to log into your Webmaster Tools account and you will see the websites that you manage. Currently, we just have the one website in question, and you're going to need to click on yours as I'm going to click on mine. Okay, so once inside of your dashboard, you'll then need to click on Health on the left-hand navigation, and then click on Fetch as Google. Right, once you've done so, you'll notice that you have a number of fetches. Generally, if you haven't done a fetch in a while, you'll have 500. I've just done a fetch, and so I only have 499. I have 10 URL and linked pages submissions left. These are renewed every 30 days. So a fetched page, of which you have 500, is just a single page. A URL and linked pages submission is when you want Google to index everything that is linked on your page. Generally, you're only going to do a full URL and link pages indexing if you've made substantial changes to your website. Ordinarily, you're just going to use the standard fetches. Below that number, you will see your domain name, and you can click Fetch if you just want to index your home page, or in regards to this tutorial, we're going to index another page on our website. Okay, so yesterday I created some sneak peek tutorials on our Wonks campus, and I'm going to index one of those now. For you, however, it might be that you've created a new blog, or you have added some new products, services, any content, any new page that you add to Google, you want to tell Google about straight away so that they find it and it's contributing to any search traffic that you're looking for. All you need to do is take the extension of the URL. You don't need the domain name of your website. And if you're not sure what you shouldn't take, it's pretty much whatever is here. So if it has a domain name here, you don't need that. Instead, you just need to take the URL and pop it in this box, and you'll see that it's / free Wonks campus. You can choose what type of link it is, and in this case, and in most probably your own case, it's going to be web. However, you can say mobile as well. I'm going to click Fetch, and when I do so, I'm going to get a little pending status down here, and then in a moment it's going to refresh the page and it's going to say success. If you ever have an issue here, it's probably because the server is busy, and in that regard you're just going to need to wait. Okay, seeing as though it has been successful, I'm going to click Submit to Index, and when I do so it's going to ask, do I want to submit just the URL, which is just the fetch, or I can choose the URL and all linked pages, which I have 10 of. So I'm just going to choose the fetch, and I'm going to click OK. It's going to refresh the page, and it's going to say that the URL has been submitted to the index. Right now, the time in New Zealand is 6 minutes past 6 on Monday, the 27th of May, and the time I'm seeing here is 4 past 11 on the 26th of May. So the likelihood here is that the server is based in America, and I am seeing an American timestamp. If you are in Europe or Africa or Asia or wherever it is that you are, you will probably see a strange time. Not to worry, as long as it's got the tick for success, your URL has been submitted to the index. And that's how you can get Google to index your content. Log into your Webmaster account, head to Fetch as Google, chuck in the URL in question, click Fetch, submit it to the index, you're done. Nice and easy. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please log into the tutorial page and leave a comment. Otherwise, head to us on Facebook, Google+, use the contact form on our website. There are multiple channels that you can get in touch. And so good luck in your indexing. Thanks for watching.